Welcome to Excel Tips and tip number 18. In tip number 18 we're going to show you how to quickly remove duplicates from a set of data. So as you can see, I've got a set of data on my screen and I'm going to show you a couple of different ways to do it through Excel 2010. Bear in mind Excel 2003 is slightly different, and I'll walk you through how to do that as well. So select the data that you want to remove duplicates from. So for me it's going to be the products list. And what I'm going to do first is walk you through 2003. So if you go to the Data, Filter and Advanced Filter menu, you stay there. On 2010, again under the Data tab, and then in the Sort and Filter section, you go straight to Advanced. It'll bring up a little box like this. Now the first one we're going to do is Filter in Place. So all we want to do is select this bottom bit, which is Unique Records Only, and say OK. You'll see automatically the lines have been hidden where it's a non-unique record. The only one problem with this is in Excel, for some reason, when you use this method, it will leave the first and only the first duplicate in the range twice. So you can see here I've got A in there twice. If I undo that, there's another way you can use exactly the same method. So again, Data, Filter and Advanced Filter for 2003, and Data tab, Advanced in the Sort and Filter section for 2007 and 10. Let's say copy to another location. You select the list range still, you copy to location and unique record. This will do exactly the same thing, but maintain your data in the same area as before and create a new list for you. Again, you can see that column A has been, letter A has been duplicated, but other than that, it is all intact. And I believe it has something to do with the name range extract gets created at the top of the range. So let's undo that, or we'll just delete that out actually. And now I'll show you something new for 2007 and 10. If we have this column here, products, we can actually go straight to the Data tab and remove duplicates. It'll ask us to expand the section, and we can say yes or continue with the current. So I'm going to expand the section, say remove duplicates. It now says my data headers, product and sales, so it's picked up that I've got headers, and I say I just want to remove duplicates on the products. I then say OK, and you can see very, very quickly it is accurately sorted and also remove duplicates from the products column. The only problem with this is it doesn't actually summate or anything on the sales column, so if you're expecting it to have a total here, I'm afraid that that's not going to happen for you. You would be better off using a pivot table if you wanted to perform that function, and that was shown in previous tips. Other than that, this is a very, very powerful way of quickly getting unique records of a long list of data, and I highly recommend using it if you need to do that. I have to say that I do use these functions very, very often on a day-to-day basis, just for that exact purpose when creating references or unique records. Do try it. I think you'll find it's very, very useful, as I said.